There's a gathering. There's a gathering. There's a conversation between earth and sky, a connection between clouds and soil, a celebration between wind and dust. Heaven and earth are yet again acquainted. Their wild nature is influenced by the sun's departure, and the pressure to seize the day mounts as they move towards each other. Carpe diem. The fragility of strong trees and shrubs is exposed as they violently sway from side to side. Leaves and petals tremble in fear as the sky's vicious winds attempt to strip them from their stems. The heavens commence on their quest to fill the leathery sands of the earth. The dark cloud reaches out its hand and bang! Lightning strikes, earth welcomes a new friend. Triumphant in its quest, the sky's journey to the earth's crust has just begun. The cloud moans uncontrollably. The earth belts out a semi-sweet melody, and together they rejoice ecstatically as the particles gather in an assembly. The sky roars and shakes, dynamites are set alight to break. They learn to persevere though the load keeps pressing on and on and on until the clouds crack, dynamites explode, the earth's anxiety shatters, waves crash against each other, and the rain is released. The earth perspires and the heavens cry. The sky inhales the sweet fresh scent it introduced unto the soil, and together they exhale their troubles and fears away. With clear clouds, the sky stares through the earth's crust, bearing its soul. It whispers unto the core, and I, tired as hell, with sweat all over, turn around and say, I love you.